Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture we have discussed the coloring of a graph. Today we will discuss the next portion of the coloring of a graph. We will start from how to find chromatic number graph coloring algorithms. Let's know what is chromatic number. Already we have discussed in previous slides what is chromatic number and how to find the chromatic number. In this lecture we will see the chromatic number in another angle. We have discussed graph assigning colors to the vertices of a graph if it ensures that no two adjacent vertices of a graph are colored with the same color. Chromatic number is a minimum number of colors required to properly color any graph. As you know that graph coloring algorithm is there exists no efficient algorithm for coloring a graph with minimum number of colors. Graph coloring is a NP-complete problems. However, a following greedy algorithm is known for finding the chromatic number of any given graph. That algorithm is greedy algorithm. There are some steps steps to use the greedy algorithm. First step is color first vertex with the first color. Second step is that now consider the remaining v minus 1 vertices one by one and do the following process. Color the currently picked vertex with the lowest numbered color if it has not been used to color any of its adjacent vertices. If all the previously used colors have been used, then assign a new color to the currently picked vertex. There are some drawbacks of greedy algorithms. These are the above algorithm does not always use minimum number of colors. The number of colors and used sometimes depends on the order in which the vertices are processed. Let's practice some problems by using the greedy algorithm. We have a problem, find chromatic number of the graph. This is a graph having a vertices A, B, C, D, E and F. We want to find the chromatic number of this graph. Apply greedy algorithm. We have vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F. Colors can be assigned to each vertex as C1, C2, C1, C2, C1, C2. From here, we have observed minimum number of colors used to color the given graph are 2. Therefore, chromatic number of the graph is 2. The given graph may be properly coloring using two colors as shown below. This is a coloring of a graph. Take another example. Find the chromatic number of the following graph. This is a graph. Here we have to find the coloring of this graph. Let's find the chromatic number by using the greedy algorithm. Vertices are A, B, C, D, E and F, and what kind of color we can use in this graph? C1, C2, C2, C3, C3, C1. We have observed from here minimum number of colors used to color the given graph are 3. Therefore, chromatic number of the given graph is 3. So, coloring can be assigned to this graph as to the vertices A, B, C, D, E and F. Take another example. Find the chromatic number of this graph. How we can assign a colors to this type of a graph? By using greedy algorithm. Vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Colors can be assigned to these vertices as C1, C2, C1, C3, C2, C3 and C4. The observation of this graph is minimum number of colors used to color the given graph are 4. Therefore, chromatic number of this graph is 4. Color can be assigned to this graph according to the number of chromatic number is 4 can be colored as. This is a colored graph. If we have a graph in this type, so let's find first of all the chromatic number and then assign the colors to this graph. By using the Grady algorithm, the vertices A, B, C, D, E and F, so colored can be assigned to this graph as C1, C2, C3, C1, C2, C3. Observation is that number of colors used to color the given graph are 3, therefore chromatic number of this graph is 3. The given graph can be colored as 3 colors. This is a colored graph that have 3 colors. If we have a graph in this form, so how we can color this type of a graph? Let's find by using the Grady algorithm the chromatic number and then we can easily assign the colors to each vertex. Minimum number of colors required to color the given graph are 3. So the chromatic number for this graph is 3. So it can be colored as shown in figure. Graph coloring is a process of assigning colors to the vertices of a graph such that no two adjacent vertices of it are assigned the same colors. Graph coloring is also a vertex coloring. It ensures that there exists no edge in graph whose end vertices are colored with the same color. These are the observations that we have observed from the graph coloring. Such graph is called the properly colored graph. So let's tackle in another examples of the graph coloring. These examples are just like this is a graph which is colored and that graph is known as a colored graph. Graph coloring we have studied in the definition of the graph. According to the definition of graph coloring, no two adjacent vertices are colored with the same color. Therefore, it is a properly colored graph. Chromatic number of some special graphs, just like we have a cycle graph. So what is the chromatic number for that type of a graph? A simple graph with n vertices where n greater than or equal to 3 and n edges forming a cycle of length n called a cycle graph. In a cycle graph, all the vertices are of degree 2. Chromatic number of this type of graph is 2. And graph having even cycle. If number of vertices in a cycle graph is odd, then chromatic number of that type of graph is 3. It depends on the degree of the graph. Chromatic number of planar graph, these are an example. The first graph is triangular graph and the chromatic number for this graph is 3. Second graph is a square graph having these are the planar graph and all are the planar graph and having chromatic number is 2, and the third having chromatic number 3 and 4 having chromatic number 2 assigns to the graph. If we have a planar graph, then according to the definition of the planar graph such that none of its edges cross each other, then chromatic number for planar graph is less than or equal to 4. Let's tackle some example. All above cycles graph, also planar graph is less than or equal to 4. These are the planar graph. Examples of the planar graph having all graph having the number of chromatic number is chromatic number and the number of colored assigned to that graph is 4 or less than 4. If we have a complete graph, then what will become the chromatic number for complete graph? A graph, according to definition, a complete graph is a graph in which every two distinct vertices are joined by exactly one edge. In a complete graph, each vertex is connected with every other vertex. So to properly it, as many different colors are needed as there are number of vertices in the given graph. chromatic number for any complete graph is number of vertices in that graph. So chromatic number equal to the number of vertices exist or contains in the complete graph. This is an example of the graph. These both are the complete graph and having the number of, this is above graph is a square graph and having number of vertices are 4, therefore chromatic number is 4. And this is the second graph is also complete graph and the number of vertices is 5, therefore the chromatic number for that graph is 5. If we have a bipartite graph, then what is the chromatic number for bipartite graph? As we know that the definition of the bipartite graph consists of two sets of vertices, let's named x and y. The edges only join vertices in x to vertices in y, not vertices within a set. So chromatic number for bipartite graph is 2. We have already studied in detail about the bipartite graph in the beginnings of the lectures, in first lectures. This is an example of the complete bipartite graph having a chromatic number is 2. If we have a tree, then how we assign the number of colors to the graph, or what is the chromatic number for tree? By definition of the tree, a tree is a special type of connected graph in which there are no circuit. Every tree is a bipartite graph, so chromatic number of a tree with any number of vertices is 2. Because of that, tree is a bipartite graph, and we have discussed in previous slide that the number of colored can be assigned to the tree to the bipartite graph is 2, and tree is bipartite graph, therefore the chromatic number of that graph is 2. Example of the trees are below. This is a tree with 4 vertices having the chromatic number is 2, and this is the tree with 5 vertex having the chromatic number is 2. Thank you.